Well, in case you missed last time, we had a pretty poor run of AI trying to make Mario. So this was the winner, Gemini. Yeah, this was the winner. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is change that background, at least sort that out. See why it looks so crummy. Okay, so that's right, yeah. Oh, I mean, we only need some of the sky and stuff like that, I guess. So let's copy that and run. There we go. File new. Clipboard. Put that in. Crop it down to that. Zoom in. Okay, so basically you have to get rid of all that. And that little thing there. And we'll copy that cloud out. Oh, no, there, that looks good enough. Normal. Oops. So manage layers, image, whatever. Layer from background. And we got no tolerance. Maybe I pump that up. Come on. Yeah, well, I guess I'll. There we go. It's really making me work for it. All right, let's go export that. Export is whatever. Here's our, here it is. All the same thing. Now, no, we don't want to save that. Now, hopefully, when we run this, a better background. There we go. Although it's only loading the top half of the background. It's very strange. Obviously, it's expecting a bigger file. All right, we'll have to fix that. Breaking the... Actually, I think the bigger file, I think that's my file, because the clouds will look like shit if I don't address this. Okay. Open with, where's that? Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so we go image, canvas size, relative width. What's it, 7.5, so we'll make it 1400, and the height 400. All right. Zoom out a bit. Okay, copy paste. Yeah, that looks good. Merge those two together. Transform. Shift over there. And yeah. There we go. And where's the, there it is. Okay. That better fucking work. There we go. All right, so we're missing all the trees and stuff like that, but otherwise the pipes don't look correct. It's sort of just something happens there. Well, where do we start? I guess since we're under the pump now, we should start the actual timer. That's the whole point of these. So you can see a realistic / bullshit. Well, it's not really. Fuck off. Who'd want that shit? Oh, look. Never stopped from last time. So how did we reset? There we go. All right. Let's see if I can. Yeah, now. No, I can't actually make it any smaller. All right. Well, just have to go there, I guess. Fuck off. This is really disappointing. Oh, we just hit that. Brilliant. Oh, nice. All right, let's go. So, well, because I guess I've finished, fixing up the PNG. That's free time. That doesn't, whatever. Okay, so this level isn't exactly like Mario level 1. You have to make it exactly the same. Also, you just seem to fall into the underground bit instead of pushing down on top of a pipe to get you there. Also, to get out of that area, there should be a pipe upside down, which you jump into from below. The coins in that underground area seem to, to move upwards out of view for some reason. The pipes are like double pipes squashed together. I don't know, fix that shit. See, there are bushes, shrubs that should be on the level. They exist in the PNG files, so get them working. Here's the asset dir preview for you. Okay, so let's go into assets. Let's CMD dir/p to the board. Let's paste it there. All right, let's 3.1 Pro. Let's see what you got. Maybe we'll run Claude against it as well. Oh wait, I didn't even give it. I'm an idiot. I didn't give it the file. So restore, and that way I can just go over here. So it's got Mario game. There we go. Let's start a new one. It's always worth starting again fresh if you can. You don't want to be poisoned by anything you've said before. All right, so this will be a Claude versus Gemini 3.1 Pro. Should be interesting. And we'll throw some visuals on while we wait, since I can't fast forward this. Well, I suppose I could later on. Yeah, whatever. If anything, you'll be able to see how much quicker 3.1 Pro is. guess I can have a look at the thinking for whatever reason. What I will do though is save Claude's updates. Well, actually, since we're starting from the same ground state, I suppose I can just apply whatever Gemini has, and then whatever Claude has. The same, using the same exactly the same file. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. See this sort of, well, what do they call it? Deep order thinking or something or other. Chain of thought. It's very much the difference between your expensive pro models and your cheap fast models that suck. Well, they don't suck. They're just sloppy, lazy. Oh, look at my PC struggle. Probably because I got the screen capture thing running. And yeah, here we go. There's actually a way you can tell Gemini its output will have finished, and it's some other icon will appear here. See this stop, this area here. That's not actually, when that says, you know, grays out, so you think it's finished. It actually hasn't finished yet. It's worth knowing. Jesus, how much is it changing? There we go. So you think it's finished, but it hasn't. It actually finishes when that, there we go, that icon appears. Let's get it out of rule mode. Right. Stop that zoom. All right. Let's see what we got from Gemini. Cool. Yeah, put the shot there. That looks more like the level I remember. Ooh, we've got a gap there for some reason. Can you go in that pipe? That's another pipe you can go in. That's my fault with that one. That star doesn't... It's supposed to be a fire flower, right? And then not working. Alright, that doesn't look right. Where's my run faster button? Oops. Is it shift or something? No, control. Oh, the castle looks mighty small. Okay. Right, okay, well, since Claude hasn't finished yet, we can quickly write okay. Castle is way too small. Increase, what, 500% in size. Where's the flag for the end? There's a break in one of the pipes. You're missing one of the ends. And when you break the brick, it's supposed to shatter into 4 pieces, and which all fall away in a paraboloid shape. That's good enough. Okay, Gemini, let's see you. What I can do is I can load the diff viewer. We can just go Mario game, go back to how it was, revert, yes. Okay, let's see Claude. See if Claude did any better. Oh, Rito, what are you doing? unless it's in separate piecemeal crap. Yeah, it is. Whoops. Good thing I didn't. Alright, so what is this one? This is block. Scenery. Okay, let's before the first class, after last. Before the first class. I think so. Yep, got that one. Okay, that's it. Was a bit premature on the old Claude. That's better. Alright. Yeah, not bad. There's no break in the pipe. Those enemies, correct? Okay, that looks a bit better. Right, now we've got the fire. Fuck off, sticky cheese. Whoops. Now is this one, I think. Oh, that doesn't look right. So wait, is this doing the same thing Gemini did? I think it sort of is. Did it get the castle right? No. Alright, so it did pretty much, you know, I can give it the same, actually, the complaints are almost identical, so let's give it exactly the same input. Let's get to raw mode, speed it up a bit. Now I should technically be able to run it, even though this is Claude's version of it. It's going to override everything it needs to override, so yeah. Keep on going back and forth like this. All right, let's see if Gemini fixed up those issues. Look at that pipe. The bricks aren't breaking properly, are they? Oh, yeah, there we go. Now, I can't remember, can you break the bricks if you, oh, sweet, it put that pedal avenue there. Yep, sweet. Oh, nice. I can't go down any of the pipes. That's supposed to be a fire flower, which I'm not sure if it exists. There's no run. And you've neglected to finish the rest of the level, it looks like. I mean, you know, all things considered. Oh, wait, so it's got that part of it. There's still no flag. Alright, here we go. Still no flag or flagpole thing. The level still doesn't look right. I can't go down any of the pipes. You've really made a mess of the pipes. They're just simple PNGs. Don't fuck with them. Ensure the underground bit works. Add music if you can. Well, I don't think we'll get much of a... Alright, now is this the most recent one? No. Run. Ooh. It's a lot easier to remember when there's just two of them. Put it back into raw mode. Speed that bitch up. Yeah, actually I might fix that background asset up because I think it's still screwed somewhere. I'll just have a look. There's a big join in the middle somewhere. Yeah, looks like I've screwed that bit up. Yeah, there's some crap at the end. Okay, sure. Fire up Photoshop again. Come on. No, it's not like I'm waiting for anything in particular. Jesus. Why, is it because I'm still running all these? Yeah, probably. Close them down. Alright, so first thing is, I've got to select some of the area. Come on. Yeah. Select that bit. We will just paste this wherever I choose. That where you are? Okay, there you go. Definitely going to take care of that, and we'll just paste another one here. Getting rid of, I don't know where it was. All right, that's, yeah, I think that's pretty good. Just zoom in a bit. No, I didn't get rid of it. I'm just going to copy that. Copy that. There we go, got rid of it. Merge, visible, file, save, done. All right, background sorted. Now, who's finished? 3.1 Pro. Of course, you have quite a bit ahead of Claude. All right. See what you got, Gemini. Oh, look at those pipes. Let me just quickly say, look at the pipes. Look at the pipes. Stop the music. That's all I can stand of that. And run. There we go. So back to raw mode. And we're waiting for Claude. Claude, Jesus Christ. Seem to be doing a little bit better for time this time around, which is good. Yeah, that won't get old quick. Jesus. Finally. Jesus, it took your time, sweet ass time. So you know what I'm going to do? Cancel all. I'm going to split it up from this point onwards. So yeah, we copy and paste. There we go. Okay. No, stop it. Oh, fuck off. Okay. Mario game Claude. Mario game Gem. Or Gem. Okay, good. Now we'll have to be extra careful of that file lock. Make sure we switch it off every time. So what was this one? What class? Series game. Game done. Game, Eurito. Oh wait, yeah, must be game. No, bottom of scope. Oh, patch order. Yeah, let's do it like that. It's always a good one. Let's have a look at this guy. Player. Yep, there you go. This one is enemy. 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 Patch order. Enemy. And that one's block. This one's brick piece. After last function. And what's this? Module level. Anyway, there we are. There we go. Remember to unlock it after doing that for the first time ever. All right, Claude, let's see what you got. All right, cool. This doesn't screwed up the pipes like Gemini did. Don't seem to be going to go down though. Which pipe can we go down? There we go. That doesn't look right. It's the same thing. Well, it looks kind of cool though. Just have a look at how much of the level it's got. Sticky keys, piss off. I'm sure there's a way to stop it from doing that. That's not right. And do we have the flag? Yeah. Doesn't grab onto the flag though. Alright, well, tell it the good news. Doesn't grab flag. There's no, what do you call it, staircase before the flag pole bit. You haven't done the underground bit. It doesn't slurp into the pipes. Make the level 1 adhere to exactly how level 1 Mario Bros is. Oz is. Good lord. Alright, I expect big things from you, whatever. Claude. I did hit go, didn't I? Yes, I did. Alright. Gemini's done, which is understandable. Now we've got to lock it to Gemini. So as not to get confused between the two. Oh, that's the full thing, I think. Unless it just added so much that it was... No. It wasn't actually in like that. Okay. We'll undo that. So... Why does it keep thinking no? Okay. We've got to do tactical arm then, I guess. Smart drop in. No, I don't want to. How do I stop from doing this? Right, it's file lock. All right, well, let's hope that it. That's weird. You put the file lock on, and it suddenly it just wants to replace the whole file all the time. Take it off, and it works fine. All right. You got rid of the music, good. Oh, there's pipes still. What are you doing? What are you doing, Gemini? No. So we'll go down the pipe that's supposed to. Isn't it that pipe you go down? Yes, it is. Sweet. That works. Coins there. And that's completely wrong. That's not how it works. Okay, so it's not getting exactly. In the underground bit, the pipe hangs on the ceiling. It's upside down. Look what you did. Right, let's give it that. Come on. And then take a photo with a million waves. Have that on. And we go run. And I wonder if Gemini will finish before Claude. Let's hope there's enough difference between them so that I don't have to keep on doing this file lock shit. I mean, ordinarily, you wouldn't be doing this. You wouldn't be running two exactly the same bits of code in the same folder. Like, why would you be doing that ever? So that's why I'm having some trouble with this file lock thing. Oh, look at that. 6 minutes, 6 minutes left. Jeez. Well, I'm sure one of be able to get that first level done. So yeah, 1 hour, I'm guessing. It'll take us. No music. But I had to stop that horrid abomination. locking it to Claude because I know Claude will separate all this shit out so I can get away with it. Preempt it so I can get it straight away as soon as it's done. Oh, there we go. So this is an easier way to do it. Well, more efficient. Come on. I could turn off Markdown. This might go a little quicker, but I don't think, yeah, I never saw that option. I never bothered to check. So yeah. They do seem like quite significant changes. Come on. Gemini might have finished by now. I think it has. Fucking retard. So slow. Screw you. Forget you then. Go back to Gemini. Too slow, Claude. It's Claude's biggest issue is it's fucking so slow. It's a pile of crap. I don't know why. It just takes forever to do anything. Finally. Alright, what's it saying? No Mario prefix. Alright, global scope. Yeah, it must be new. Before the after begin pipe embed. You know, this is just so typical of goddamn Claude, just putting all these dumb fucking new functions and shit, like new classes. Everything's got a new class. Every single fucking thing has got a new class. Oh, I'll have to tell it next time. All right, check them out. Got anything running? Yeah, we do. Let's go Claude first. All right. Well, Claude's doing the oh no, wait. Gemini. All right, let's. What else have we done? Go down the pipe, begin pipe, and enter. Oh, does it go in game, does it? Whoops. Did you say that? Yeah, it did say it. All right. Yeah, that's all right. We'll just undo that last change. And we'll go put that in game this time. Yep, whatever. Begin pipe, enter. Well, I guess this goes in game as well. Game. Game. All right. Call it again. Might sort of fault for. Come on. Doesn't do the the shake. Yeah, nice. All right. Yeah. Okay. So now there's not enough time left. The underground bit isn't the underground bit. It's the level one with different palette picks. So it's the correct underground bit. That makes a lot of sense. All right, now let's check out Gemini. It's called Gem. All right, still fucking up the pipe things. The look of it, it doesn't really understand, does it? The Cooper runs the wrong way. Well, that's sort of right. Can we get duck out? Yeah. Yes, we can. Excellent. Well, you know, I can forgive the way it looks. So, yeah, I think all the names are correctly placed. Oh, go away, sticky keys. Yeah. Is that supposed to be the very end? Oh, no. I don't know. Oh, here we go. Black hole, yes. Oh. Nice. Oh, that was horrible. But yeah, pretty good effort. So let's just wait for Claude to finish. Well, that's not really fair, is it? Okay, so the pipes, use this, unlock it. Pipes still look wrong. Animate the end bit properly on the pole. And I think that's just snuck in. Just snuck in. This Claude's going to take its sweet ass time to do anything. It's fair enough that Gemini gets a go. It's only fair. Well, I think I said something about it being possible to get the first level more or less working from that state, and I think I said it might take half an hour. Here we go. If after all still loaded, blah blah blah, whatever. So let's build underground. Rocket to Claude. All right. Let's see what you got, Claude. Yep. Yeah, get them all in view. Perfect. Dun, 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 dun. Now don't forget that we are starting from Gemini's point, you know, so if we were going to go from Claude's beginnings, it would just be an absolute fucking shit show. Let's just restart that because I stupidly, you know what I did, I missed my opportunity. All right, there we go. Go to the underground since that was the thing I just got to fix before. It was this one or the next one? This one. There we go. Coins disappeared. Oh, well, you know. Well, how am I supposed to get to there? Kind of fucked me. Well, I don't know about that. I mean, that's pretty goddamn stupid. Well, that's Claude's effort. Now we can wait for Gemini's. It's a corrective function. Finalize the pipes. I don't know. I don't think I understand this. I mean, I sent it the picture. What more can I do? What more can I do? Yeah, put it back on raw mode. Speed the motherfucker up. Except for the way the pipes look, I'd say Gemini has got a gonna sneak here, just clinch victory, I think, but it was close. It was close. Confirmed. Of course they exist. If you give a code that has some sort of helper function or whatever that you didn't actually spell it out, like you did, oh, look at all that. It's wasted time giving me almost identical everything. All right, let's go Gemini. Okay, not that I'm playing favorites. Get it there. Good. Okay. The music's going. Yeah. You fixed it once and for all. You sure have. You sure have, Gemini. Well, at least that works properly. At least the coins are there. At least I can get out. I mean, yeah, I'm going to say that's a win to me. And of course, I never really fixed that up. And that should be rotated and flipped correctly. This is our big. Oh, look at that. Yeah. I mean, Gemini, you win again. Oh no.